Nicholas is eating for the first time. How is it, buddy?
It's good stuff, huh? Look at that. Who wouldn't enjoy that
Yum.
stuff right there? Who wouldn't
Someone's
enjoy
a little
that
more interested in the bib.
There you go.
Yummy, huh?
Ooh, Daddy kind of missed that time. There you go. How's that?
Yummy. Good job, buddy.
Okay, ready? Open up wide. Uh-oh, don't look at me. Open your mouth. There you go.
Oh, big bite. That was a really big bite.
Is that too big, you think?
You got a big bite on now. You're such a big boy. Look at your mouth.
All right, buddy.
Did any go in?
All right, so your face is clean for the moment at least. Let's try one more time. There you go. Take a bite. Yum, 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 yum.
Yay, good job, buddy.
Mwah.